everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove ads on Fruit Ninja. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in to the video. The first thing to do is to open your Fruit Ninja application on your device. Right on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you might be able to see the ad sale option available. You can simply tap on the ad sale option, or you can also go to the shop button on the left hand side menu. Tap on shop and then simply look for an option labeled remove ads or something similar, and once you find it, you can select your package that you'd like to choose and tap on it. Now, you will need to provide your payment information. Go ahead and follow through the on-screen prompts, follow the purchase process, and once you've made the purchase, you may need to restart the game for the changes to take effect. After restarting, you will no longer see ads while playing Fruit Ninja. So that is how you will be able to remove ads on Fruit Ninja. You will simply need to purchase a premium version of the game in order to disable ads while you play with it. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.